Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to fix sound problems on shiftkey in Windows 10 and 11. Here is the problem in shiftkey. When you press, let us go to the search bar and write control panel. Uh, Change to large icon. Let us maximize and find ease of access on ease of access. Yeah, this one. Find this one. Click ease of access and let us find keyboard easier to use. Yeah, select this one. Click on this. Yeah, let us click this one. Set up sticky case. Click this one. Then go to this shortcut, keyboard shortcut, and make it uncheck. Yeah, make it uncheck and apply, apply, and OK. Click OK. Yeah, that is it. The problem is fixed.